water rescue is different. To give potential victims the best chance to be rescued, first responders need a variety of tools at their disposal to tailor the quickest, safest response to any scenario, in any water or weather conditions. This is Dolphin 1, an unmanned surface rescue vehicle from Ocean Alpha. Dolphin 1 combines our expertise into the most compact, versatile, and affordable USV available today for public safety, lifeguards, marinas, ships, and offshore oil and gas platforms. When every moment could be the difference between life and death, traditional rescue vehicles like a Zodiac IRB or jet ski can take minutes to get into the water. Dolphin 1 deploys in seconds. Instead of putting rescue swimmers at risk in the water, where they can lose sight of the victim, responders stay safe and dry, maintaining critical line of sight. Dolphin 1's electric, high-speed water jet propulsion system achieves 30 minutes of endurance and a top speed of 10 miles per hour, so victims are reliably reached faster, even in swift water or adverse weather conditions. Once Dolphin 1 reaches the victim, ergonomic handles are easy to catch and hold, even for a victim under duress. Tangle and injury-proof design ensure against secondary injury. Super buoyant materials provide 50% more life-saving capacity than standard life buoys. And integrated fog lamps support rescue operations day or night, making Dolphin 1 by Ocean Alpha an affordable, essential new addition to your rescue toolkit. Dolphin 1.